Hey, it's Brandon again back at it with another how-to video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to assign average cost with a manufacturing build.
Another way to assign average cost is through our manufacturing build feature. This is going to be specific to if you are using our build feature to consume raw materials and produce a finished good. To begin, let's look at a few products. So we have the black tea and chai tea product, both that do have an average cost recorded, and then we have our tea kit without one. To clarify, if we look at our tea kit and look at our bill of materials, you can see that we have a one-to-one relationship with the black tea and chai tea configured for our tea kit. Next, let's perform a build. We'll navigate to our builds and let's create a build. You can use your system generated ID, or if you have your own build numbers, that's fine too. For now, for simplicity, let's just use the build ID. We're producing our tea kit. Let's say we're going to produce 3 of those kits. You can see our build quantities update based on the quantity to produce. And now we're ready to begin. There are 2 steps with the build. You can start and complete all at one time, or you can just start. If you start the build and use a multi-step approach, and we go back to our products, you can see here that we have now work in progress units, but we haven't actually added inventory to our tea kit yet. Going back to our build, then we can complete the build. Now that we've completed it, we've lost our work in progress, and now we actually have on-hand inventory for our tea kit. As you can see, we now have 3 on hand for our tea kit, and then we have actually lost our work in progress units here. And then we've used the average cost per unit for these 2 to get a roll-up cost into our tea kit. So now our tea kit has a cost of 6.6733333. And that is how the cost works from a build perspective.
This concludes this how-to video. If you have any additional questions, please reference our Onboarding Academy on the Help Center or contact service@finaleinventory.com.